Hello and welcome to Pets Guideline. Today, we're going to take a look at the deadliest birds on the planet. You know the difference between a pigeon and a vulture. One can fill your heart with love where another will definitely scare you. That's the world of birds so diverse. Some can bring peace and joy. Some cause trouble, and some others can even kill you. Here is the list of 10 most dangerous birds in the world. Number 10. Cassowary. Don't ever want to mess with the cassowary. Although these are flightless and cheaper, they are dangerous. Cassowaries are considered to be the deadliest bird around the globe. They can measure up to 6 feet high and weigh up to 160 pounds. They are not aggressive and do not attack easily, though, when it feels threatened, can cause injuries, severe damage to internal organs, and even death. The recent death of a man in Florida back in 2021, it took place due to a cassowary attack. They reside in the forests of New Guinea and northeastern Australia. Cassowaries can run as fast as 31 miles per hour. Number 9. Red-tailed hawk. Red-tailed hawk is a common hawk found across North America. They typically weigh between 2 and 4 pounds. The wingspan of a red-tailed hawk is measured between 38 and 43 inches. Their wings are broad and the tail is short. Female bird of this species of hawk is larger than males. They prefer to live in open areas. As you can expect, the powerful talons are the main weapon of red-tailed hawks. That's what exactly you should be afraid of, because red-tailed hawks defend their territory fiercely. They become aggressive if you cross their boundary and would attack with their powerful talons. It could result in severe injuries. Number 8. Snowy owl. Native to harsh Arctic tundra, snowy owl is one of the largest and most beautiful species of owls in the world. As the name suggests, they are mostly white with dark gray spots. This large owl typically weighs between 3.5 to 6.5 pounds and has a wingspan up to 60 inches. Without a doubt, humans are a main threat of snowy owls. The list of their natural predators is very short: Arctic foxes, jaguars, and wolves. But snowy owl is known to protect their territory aggressively. With the attack of razor-sharp talons, snowy owl could drive their predators away. If a human is a threat, they would target head and the eyes. Snowy owl's track to the eyes could be very serious. Number 7. Lammergeier. Lammergeier is one of the oldest vultures in the world. They are also called as bearded vultures. This massive species of vulture weighs up to 7 kilograms and has a wingspan between 2.3 to 2.8 meters. They inhabit in the high mountainous regions of southern Europe, southern Africa, and Asia. The enormous wings let lammergeiers to glide effortlessly above high mountains. Upon diet, these cultures focus on carrion and bones. They eat small bones by the whole. They use dropping techniques if they get large bones. That's dropping large bones from a great height onto hard rocks. Thus they could eat marrow inside the broken bones. Number 6. Barred owl. Barred owl is a large, round-headed owl which widespread in North America. They prefer to live in forests and woodlands. These owls have a maximum length of 21 inches and a wingspan between 41 and 43 inches. Barred owls are nocturnal birds and thus hunt only at night. The most interesting thing about barred owl is their way of flying can fly noiselessly through the dense forest. It is due to the speciality of their feathers. But this speciality also makes barred owls dangerous for humans, because they become very aggressive if disturbed. Also, you can't hear these owls coming to attack you. They target the head on attack with sharp claws, which result in serious injuries. Number 5. Great Northern Loon. Great Northern Loon is a large diving bird which also known as common loon. They have a length between 24 to 39 inches and wingspan up to 60 inches. The spear-like beak is the most highlighting feature of Great Northern Loon. These migratory birds spend their summer in lakes and ponds in northern United States, Canada, and Greenland. In winter, they migrate to Pacific and Atlantic coastlines. From the physical features, you could easily say that what makes great northern loon dangerous to humans, their sharp beak. They target head or neck, just like attacking their natural predators such as bald eagles, gulls, sea otters, ravens, or skunks. Such an attack with a spear-like beaks could cause serious problems. Number 4. Mute swan. Weighing up to 28 pounds, mute swan is one of the largest waterfowls native to Europe. They live in ponds, rivers, wetlands, and inland lakes. The wingspan of this large bird also measures up to 2.4 meters. The cuteness of mute swans may force you to go near them, but keep in mind that they are aggressive and can pose danger to you. The attack from mute swans on humans mostly happen during their nesting time in the spring season. Nesting swans defend their zone vigorously. It's better to keep a safe distance from mute swans, especially children. If you go near, mute swans would make a fast approach with hissing and strike you with their strong wings. Considering their size and strength of wings, their attack could result in serious injuries, especially to eyes. Number 3. Australian Magpie. Australian magpie is the second most dangerous bird of the country, after Southern Cassowary. This medium-sized bird lives in grasslands, fields, parks, and gardens across most of Australia. In spring, when nesting period arrives, Australian magpies becomes very aggressive. This behavior is to protect their nest. If they found you as a threat, they would attack you fearlessly. As the habitat of Australian magpies includes residential areas, streets, and parks, you need to be careful if you stay near them. If feel threatened, magpies would swoop and attack the intruders. It could end in severe skin or eye injuries. Number 2. European herring gull. Measuring up to 26 inches in length, European herring gull is a large gull found across Western Europe. These gulls are notorious for both stealing food and attack on humans. They have a wingspan of 49-61 inches and up to 2.6 long, razor-sharp bills. So, serious injuries are sure from the herring gull attacks. Like other birds, European herring gulls also become more aggressive and attack during nesting season. You should keep a safe distance from these birds because they attack in a team. If one herring gull is alone and being provoked, it would immediately call for help from other adult birds. Such an incident would result in a group attack from European herring gulls. Number 1. Petrel. Now, they're not quite friendly to mess with. Petrel, ranging from 80 to 100 cm in length, of these at least concerned swimmers are found throughout Africa and Antarctica. They use their bill to make a hole in seals and whale carcasses. These petrels are also the only members of the proceller and a family which have legs long enough to walk on land. They live up to 20 years. They caused injuries to humans with their strong and powerful wings. As an act of defense, its nest is found on the rocky or grassy ground. They produce stomach oil and spray it out while flying. If they sense some threat, better to run away faster than people. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more adorable videos like this. Thanks for watching.